I am curious, like, 1 year in on the existing business, and you think you got it figured out. How do you quickly take that to two, right? Like,
We
how do you
didn't have it
comfortably and
figured
quickly take
out.
that to two?
We
All
we
right, all
didn't have
right,
it
good.
figured out, Matt. Like, not at
I was gonna
all.
say you guys are like the only ones. Yeah, yeah.
No, we literally had no idea what we're doing. I mean, I would say truthfully, it took us after we bought that second laundromat. I would say we finally started leaning into some of the resources available to us. So we were in it like a little over a year by the time we were finding things like the CLA and, the Laundromat Resource podcast and Dave Men's The Millionaire. Like, we didn't
Hmm.
do any of that research at all until we were already in it and having had crash courses, and then we started like researching these things, and that's when we were like, okay, we do maybe have this figured out. Maybe these things are, all the things that we're experiencing are super normal, and we're going into it. So to answer your
Yeah.
question, no, we had nothing figured out. We knew nothing, and we just decided that we liked the business and we were going to keep moving forward. But if we knew what we know now, I mean, oh, we would have been unstoppable.
What are just some of the things that kind of popped out once you started kind of diving in and kind of looking at others in the business and looking at some of the resources that you were finding? What are a couple of things that jumped out to you that was like, oh my gosh, that's revolutionary for us?
So I don't know if there's anything like revolutionary, but I do say that there's some things that, initially I was like, we're only ever going to do self-serve. Like, I don't ever want
Mm-hmm.
to venture into anything else because it's working, they're doing well. But then as I started learning more about the business and hearing like figures and numbers and seeing others being so successful and then throwing out their numbers about like how wash, dry, fold or pickup and delivery is making more money than their self-serve, I was like, oh wait, I wasn't thinking the right way about that at all. So that totally changed my perspective on that piece, which was good. And then we learned, I don't know, like we learned more about maintenance. Like my husband is mechanically inclined, but we started learning a lot more about the maintenance of our machines and how we should be taking care of them and how to diagnose them better. Um, yeah, I feel like there's something to be said for networking and learning about them. I should have done that in the beginning. So if you're new
Eh,
to the industry,
eh.
go ahead and do that first.
There's nothing necessarily wrong with building the plane as it's going down the runway, as long as it's ready to take off by the end.
And that's what happened. So it all worked
Yeah.
out, and we're doing the thing now, and we're in it, and we love it, and yeah, so it worked out. I knew it would.